Wittgenstein once wrote, "The limits of my language mean the limits of my world." One thing this quote reminds us of is the power of language, and of course, of the most common linguistic symbols, words. We think we know what words are, but do we really? Can all these, for example, be words in and of themselves? Perhaps more intriguing is, despite how fluid a word is, we keep looking for the right word to convey our meaning, thinking that it should be there even if we don't manage to find it just yet. We also debate the meaning of the same word, like when we struggle with what exactly it means to be woke, to be a feminist or a fascist, or if any of these mean a particular thing or idea anymore. Indeed, we live constantly trying to make sense of things. Sometimes it seems effortless. Sometimes it's extremely hard. Political correctness is the unique culmination of this everyday task, the yearning for the most neutral and inclusive meaning. So now we agonize over whether to use block list instead of black list, justice-involved populations rather than inmates, Latinx to replace Latino or Latina, or perhaps more perplexingly, food insecurity in lieu of hunger. Words seem to be a big mess. So how do nonverbal symbols fare in comparison? Can we fully develop a set of universal symbols to settle ambiguities that exist in words and languages? Maybe mathematical notation, internet symbols, memes, or any other kind of notation. At the end of the day, we like to complain about word issues, to succumb to boundaries set by words, or to seek comfort or equality in less word-like symbols. But could it be that we've surrendered our agency and responsibility to the word or symbol? In an increasingly AI-led era, it's crucial for us to rethink humanity. Before approaching the question of how well AI understands meanings, should we not, first and foremost, contemplate the part we play in disputes over words and symbols? It is also on these premises that we develop a sense of freedom, of speech, of expression. Are we currently unfree because we let ourselves be bound by words, by symbols in themselves? Well, let's talk it through. In CCHU9053, Contested Words and Disputed Symbols.